mga coaches, malinaw ba yung audio ko po at saka yung visual? Pesos. Ito na zero sa chat box, no? Okay. So again, good evening everyone. So andito na tayo ngayon sa, we'll start with our presentation, no? And thank you sa 125,000 na nandito ngayon sa Zoom po natin. Okay? So first, I would like to thank Soaring Eagle International, no, headed by the newest, no, Diamond natin, client and coach Vilma Sabulaw, along with all the coaches, no, nandito ngayon, especially yung mga platinum coaches natin and gold coaches natin nandito sa Rome, no. Maraming salamat sa pag-invite ninyo sa akin na at least makapag-share din tayo ng business presentation ni Live Good. Okay, so sa mga affiliates and upcoming affiliates, no? Affiliates to be shown sa Live Good, no? Welcome to our presentation. Guys, I believe na nandito po tayo ngayon sa room. This is not by chance. No? Possibly, isa itong answered prayer sa mga hinihingi natin sa Panginoon, no? And ano ba mga usual natin na hinihingi sa mga prayers natin, di ba? Mostly is more on financial matters. And malay natin, no? Ang mga problema natin financial at katuparan ng ating mga pangarap ay dito na magsimula ngayon sa Live Good. Amen? So ilang beses na ba tayo na-invite and sumali and nasabihan na itong company na to, ito na yung katuparan ng mga pangarap natin, but wala pa rin nangyari. Okay? But I promise you guys with Live Good, no? This is the real solution, katuparan ng mga pangarap natin. So, and that's why I would like to request everyone na please avoid distraction during the entire presentation. Just open your mind and heart, no? And then tutok lang tayo. And yun, ito na po talaga yung isa sa mga key or shortcut ng mga pangarap natin. So before I start, allow me to introduce myself, no? Properly. So my name is Romel Jaime, isa po akong licensed electronics and communications engineer. And tayo ay affiliate, platinum affiliate na dito sa Live Good. And just like Coach Vilma before, we are on the Diamond Run. Dami kami dito ngayon nasa Diamond Run, lahat ng mga platinums. I'm also a professional network marketer. So, bakit naging professional network marketer? Isang engineer naging network marketer. Kasi guys, no, I was invited na sumali ng isang presentation just like this, pero face-to-face. And then, after the presentation, nakita ko yung, hindi ako convinced sa presentation. Doon ako na-convince sa nagbigay ng testimony, ng sharer. So, mamaya meron din tayong sharer. So, nahit po ako sa mga sinasabi, sa mga achievement ng sharer na yon. Kasi, undergrad or hindi nakatapos ng high school, pero yung mga pangarap ko, natutupad na niya. In my work, 10 years ako nagtrabaho, pero yung mga pangarap ko, hindi ko pa natupad. But look at these guys, no? Nandito sa industry na to, walang natapos na isang totoong business course, pero bakit din-achieve yung mga pangarap niya? So, I spent 6 months to 1 year, I dig up the industry kasi 5 years ako nag-aaral. No? 5 years nag-aaral, naging manager ng isang company, pero wala pa rin nangyari sa buhay. So, if kaya kong nag-study for 5 years na isang profession na hindi nagbigay sa akin ng mga pangarap ko, why not study this industry na nagbigay na ng mga achievements sa mga daming mga tao. So then I did it. Nag-aral ako ng network marketing. After 6 months, I dig further, and then after a year, I became a full convert sa industry. In love ako sa industry to the point na nag-resign ako talaga sa trabaho. So, naging full-time professional marketer tayo. Then also, because na-in-love tayo sa industry na to, mahilig din ako, nag-study din ako, at mahilig ako mag-design ng compensation plan. So, alam ko paano kunin yung costing sa binary, sa unilevel, even hybrid na mga compensation plan, yung mga US-based compensation plan, may idea din tayo paano gawin din, paano yan i-calculate. Okay? So, actually guys, being immersed sa industry, yun po yung dahilan, yun po yung trigger bakit ako nandito sa LiveGood. Okay? Because typical na mga network marketing companies, naghanap kami ng mga product na magandang product, high quality product na pwede naming sun yung multiplier para magka-come up tayo ng isang magandang compensation plan. High payout, very attractive sa mga leaders. So yung nalaman ko yung concept ni LiveGood, talagang guys, grabe. 180 degrees yung turn ko dito. Okay, so dito ko na sinugal yung future ko with LiveGood. Okay, and then yun, aside from that, yung pumutok yung pandemic sa atin, nag-aral din tayo ng e-commerce marketing. So alam din natin paano mag-market using e-commerce, and then napakaganda yung positioning natin sa LiveGood. Yung mamaya, makikita natin kung kayo po ay nasa e-commerce, mas ma-appreciate ninyo lalo yung ating company, guys. Okay? And then, because of the industry, nakakaroon tayo ng isang business, maliit na business lang, pero at least nabigay sa atin ng passive income. Okay? Now, LiveGood started in December 13, 2022. So, titignan natin, US-based po ito, to be exact, nasa Jupiter Park Drive sa Florida, yung ating head office, yung fulfillment center natin. And then, 7 months later, in July of 2023, this month lang, boom, di ba? More than 500,000 members na tayo. And guys, yung video na pinakita kanina, yung sinabi nating, tinatawag natin na tour page, okay? Ito po. So, yun po yung dahilan. One of the major reason bakit biglang nakuha natin yung 500,000 plus members worldwide. Okay? And then, at the end of the video, di ba? Marinig natin sinabi ni Ben Lindsay, see you at the top. See you at the top. So, itong quote na ito, guys, this was made famous by Zig Ziglar. Isang sikat na motivational speaker in the US. In fact, isa itong sikat na libro. Itong See You at the Top. So, this is a very nice book, guys, para sa atin. No? I suggest na may mga libreng PDF file na dito ngayon sa See You at the Top. And malamang, paboritong libro ito ni CEO Ben. So, ano pang ibig sabihin ng See You at the Top? Okay? Isa lang yung ibig sabihin dito, guys. Lahat tayo magiging successful sa LiveGood. Sigurado po yan. Okay? But before I will proceed, mag-disclaimer lang po tayo muna. No? So, LiveGood is not a company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. We are not selling shares and investments of any kind. Okay? Although si LiveGood ay nag-accept ng crypto payment, in fact, pwede payout. But we are not a crypto company. Okay? And any examples or illustration provided are in no way a guarantee or promise that an individual will make financial gains of any kind. The potential for earnings is totally dependent on its affiliate member. So kung may makikita tayo dito na illustration presentation about kitaan, it is just an illustration, guys. No? It is not a promise, no? Kasi yung kita natin dito ay nakadepende, no? Na nakadepende po sa ano natin, sa effort po natin. Break lang po tayo, guys. Yung slide ko po, nag-work naman dyan. I-stop share ko mo lang muna. Medyo may problema dito. Nagkaroon ng problema sa slide. So, pasensya po. Isip ko lang muna.
Good evening everyone. Good evening, Live Good family and all guests inside the Zoom. Bear with us kasi ganito po talaga ang medyo challenge po sa atin sa live. By the way, my name is Mentor Jericho Irinco, your platinum partners here in Live Good, and papunta na rin po tayo sa Diamond. And habang pong inaayos po ni Engineer Jaime yung kanyang slide, mag-ano lang po muna tayo ng konting pangunawa. Ito po talaga yung challenge natin sa live. This is very normal. So bear with us po. Babalik po si Engineer Romel. As you can see, tonight it's gonna be one of the big night, another big night, and another blessings for all of us who are here inside the Zoom. Gawa ng ang ating speaker is not an ordinary speaker. So it's a professional engineer, a licensed engineer. And at the same time, kaabang-abang din po yung sharer niya tonight. Also a professional one who was already engaged into this kind of industry. So bear with us. Pasensya lang po muna. Huwag po tayong aalis ha. Kasi tonight, it's gonna be a night of, it's kakaibang gabi po itong pagsasamahan po natin ngayon dito po sa ating Zoom presentation. So while we are waiting for our official speaker, I think nandiyan na po si Engineer Jaime. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for waiting. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Jericho, for taking over. So yun, nagkaroon tayo ng problema doon sa, di naman sa connection, siguro sa sa computer lang. So yun, again, I'm sorry guys. So proceed na tayo. So merong 6 basic reasons why we should join Live Good. Okay? So first reason guys is yun, we have the amazing products. Ibig sabihin, high quality products but result driven. In fact, kung wala kang resulta after taking the product, within 90 days, walang resulta para sa iyo, wag kang na-feel the difference sa katawan mo, pwede mong isauli yan sa company. Kahit yung empty bottle yung isauli mo, without questions asked, bigyan po kayo ng full refund. Yan po yung backup ng guarantee ng product natin. And third, incredible prices. Okay, so high-end na product na very close to factory price yung mga produkto natin. And then fourth, walang auto ships, walang auto delivery, walang auto charge sa card, walang maintenance requirement, walang pilitan na magbili ng product every month, para lang kikita tayo sa compensation plan. So napakagandang combination ito guys. Kaya nga naging number 1 business ito ngayon, si Live Good. Number 1 business na di kaya pantayan. Napakahirap kopyahin itong business na ito. So kaya stay tuned to the entire presentation para at least magkaroon tayo ng idea kung gaano ito kaganda at kung bakit wala tayong panahon na sayangin dito. Okay, so ano pa talaga si Live Good? Yeah, dami nagtatanong, what is Live Good? So we have 3 description kung ano ba talaga si Live Good. First is Live Good is a US-based direct selling company na nakafocus sa wellness in digital service industry, Katulad ng mga company nito like Usana, Herbalife, LifeVantage, Amway, Nu Skin, Forever Living, Mga example ito sa mga US-based company. Now, ano ba yung advantage pag yung company natin in this industry ay naka-US based? Napakalaki ng advantage guys. Number 1, yung global expansion is parang fast and easy. Parang downhill process yung global expansion natin compared to local companies, Kung mag-join tayo ng mga local companies, it's good. Walang problema diyan. Pero mostly yung mga target natin diyan, mga Pilipinos. And then if we expand globally, napakahirap mag-expand globally kasi nasubukan ko na yan. Part tayo sa isang company na nag-open din ng mga branches outside the Philippines. Mahirap. It's an uphill process talaga. And then kung maka-open tayo doon sa ibang bansa, most likely yung target natin ay mga Pilipino din. Unlike sa mga US company na if they open in the country, hindi lang mga Americans yung target nila, pati yung local talaga. Okay. Number 2. Live Good is a dropshipping business. A dropshipping business that ships to more than 200 countries. Ano ba yung mga dropshipping companies, no? Popular na mga companies like Amazon, Walmart, no? eBay, Alibaba sa atin ang daming mga companies din na sa atin na mga dropshipping company like Lazada, Shopee, dami pang iba. In fact, yung company namin na belong din sa dropshipping business. So what is a dropshipping business? Ito ay an e-commerce business, no? E-commerce business po ito na as a seller, di mo na kailangan bumili ng mga product. Di mo na kailangan mag-purchase ng inventory. And then kung may binta ka, di mo din kailangan magpa-ship. Okay? So si company na yung in charge mag-handle ng shipping. And then gawin mo lang is to sell and then collect your commission every week or every month. Depende sa company. But imagine guys, ang dami ng mga dropshipper dito sa Pilipinas. Ang dami mga dropshipper na Pinoy. Okay? Then can you imagine Live Good? Live Good is a dropshipping business that is open to more than 200 countries. Di ba? So isa yan sa napakalaking opportunity na di pa natin ginalaw. Di pa natin ginalaw. Kasi nasa recruitment stage tayo. Kasi nasa foundation stage. But it is a huge market. Not just Philippine market, but the entire world ang target natin dito sa dropshipping business ni Live Good. Di ba? And third, ito yung pinaka-the best na description or explanation kung ano ba talaga ang Live Good. Live Good is a club membership that pays. Okay? And then, ano ba yung mga example ng mga club membership? Sa US, dami. Costco, mayroong Sam's Club, mayroong Amazon Prime, no? Netflix, Disney Premium. Sa atin, yun, Landers. Mayroong ECNR. Diba? So, makikita natin guys, Live Good is the first club membership company under sa direct selling industry. Tayo ang nauna na club membership dito sa direct selling industry. Kaya, Live Good is unique. Unique. Talagang tayo yung mover dito sa direct selling industry on a club membership company. Okay. Now, bakit club membership? Bakit club membership yung model na ginagamit ni Ben Glinsky? So ito yung mga dahilan guys. Number 1, stable cash flow. Because of the monthly subscription that the company collects, madali nating mag-calculate and ma-project yung cash flow ng isang company. Kaya ang dali mag-decide ng company kung kaya ba natin mag-expand, kaya ba natin bumili ng ganito, kaya ba natin mag-hire ng ganito. Kasi calculated, projected na yung sales natin. Di ba? Calculated. Di tayo maproblema guys kung mag-open tayo ng warehouse somewhere in Asia or in the Philippines. Kung kaya natin, pwede tayo mag-open na walang atrasan. Pangalawa, reason bakit club membership, low marketing cost. Once there is a new member na sasali sa company ng club membership, di na kailangan ng company na mag-shell out pa ng marketing cost para i-remarket yung member na yun kasi captured na yung market. Wala na tayong masyadong marketing cost doon. Third, low business cost. Napaka-low yung OPEX natin dito. Nabanggit ni CEO Ben na mahirap tayong kopyahin because we are operating on a very tight margin. Okay? But kagandahan ng club membership guys, yung value na makukuha ng mga members, pwede ma-scale up. Pwede natin i-scale up sa daming mga tao. Kaya parang makaipon tayo ng maraming pera. In that sense, pwede tayong makakuha ng mas murang product na sobrang quality. Na yun po ang ibabalik naman doon sa mga members natin. So more value to membership yung pwede mabigay. Kaya this is now the trend. Kung napanood natin yung video ni Ben na mostly sa mga direct selling companies ngayon, nag-drop yung sales nila. Pero yung mga club membership companies naman like Costco, like Walmart, tumataas. It is because of this model. Naka-align po ito sa shifting o buying habits ng mga tao ngayon. Okay? So I hope clear po natin, no? I-explain natin na maigi what is Live Good. And this points to our mission. Ano ba yung mission ni Live Good? Di ba? Is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Guys, sa panahon natin ngayon, with all the pollution na sa paligid natin, mga pagkain na mga daming chemicals dyan, ang tubig na walang minerals, no? Lifestyle natin, no? With all the gadgets that we have, at risk yung health natin, guys. At risk talaga. And the only way to combat that problem is to take supplementation. Kailangan natin mag-supplement. This is a proactive way to protect our health rather than reactive. Okay? Pag reactive tayo, punta tayo sa hospital, nako, delikado. Ang mahal nun. Now, supplements, kailangan natin. It is now a necessity. Now, if we take supplementation, why settle for less? Diba? Bakit doon tayo sa, di natin siguro yung quality, doon na tayo sa talagang high-end, high-value food supplement. Ang problema lang ng mga high-value supplements, guys, napakamahal. Napaka-high-end din ng presyo nila. To the points that, no, based on statistics, 2.8 months lang or 3 months lang, hindi na magtuloy, hindi na mag-order yung mga members sa product kasi walang kita, sobrang mahal. Stop. That's the sad reality sa mga food supplements na nasa industry natin ngayon. Yun po yung sinusolve natin dito sa Live Good. Na according to our Director of Network Marketing, Noder Kasan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a complan can get rich are over. Tapos na yan. Tapos na yan ang overpricing ng mga product. No? Very familiar naman itong image nito. This is very biblical. David versus Goliath. Live Good is David. Goliath is all other MLMs na sobrang mahal yung produkto. High quality nga, mahal naman. Now, Live Good is not going to destroy the MLM industry kasi nandito din tayo. Part tayo sa industry na yan. What we're going to destroy is the overpricing of product. The overpricing of product. Kasi guys, typically, ito yung mga ginagawa na costing sa mga network marketing companies. Kasi part ako dyan, company designer din tayo. So typically, naghanap tayo ng product na ma-multiply natin ng 10 to get the SRP. Now, so for example, ang 200 pesos na cost worth of product galing sa isang manufacturing plant, i-times 10 yan ng isang networking company, ang lalabas is 2,000 pesos. Yun po yung maging SRP. So bakit naging mahal? Kasi may direct referral, may binary, may pairing, may unilevel, may matching bonus, may travel incentives, may car incentives, ang dami pang iba. So pinas on doon sa user yung value na yun. Di ba? Yung kita ni upline nun, nagbabayad si user. Kaya si user walang kita, after 3 months, nag-quit, nag-ship ng ibang food supplement. Okay? Now, look at Live Good. Live Good, yung SRP natin is very close to factory price. Almost factory price yung presyo natin. We are breaking the mold, guys. Yung mold, yung paraan sa pag-calculate ng SRP ng product sa industry, binabasag po ni Live Good. And lahat ng mga MLMs ngayon na gumagamit ng method na yon ay tinatawag na Jurassic. Mga Jurassic, no? Anong mangyari anong nandun sa Jurassic? Wala na yon, di ba? So if they cannot adapt, they will become extinct. Okay? So Live Good tayo lang yung nandito sa era ngayon, bagong era, bagong method yung ginagamit natin dito sa Live Good. Okay? So guys, para mas ma-appreciate nyo lalo, let me explain to you the methods in determining the SRP. Paano ba kinuha ng isang networking company ang standard retail price? Ito yung formula. Okay? Now, ang product cost, ito yung typical, ito yung Jurassica. Typical, yung product cost times 3, yun po yung ginagamit na costing. No? So ito yung ginagamit na costing ng mga retail store like Watson, Lazada, Shopee, TikTok. Nasa times 3 lang kasi walang pairing to eh. Walang retail profit to, walang binary. Okay? Yung iba naman times 5 times 10. Okay? Yung product nila, ito naman yung ginagamit ng mga direct selling like Neticia, Avon, mga networking company na simple lang yung kumpla nila. But sa mga companies na high-end, yung compensation plan nila, nasa times 10, times 20 yung product, ay yung multiplier sa mga high payout na mga companies. But look at LiveGood. LiveGood, yung product cost ni LiveGood na sobrang quality, walang multiplier, plus lang. Ang ginamit ko dito is yung super rates natin na factory price is $15, bininta ng members at $18, that's 20%. Yung add-on, if you are a LiveGood member. Pero kung ikaw ay customer ng LiveGood, hindi ka member, plus 100%. Walang multiplier pa rin. Di ba? So see the difference, guys. Kita niyo? Walang katulad talaga. Okay. So itong typical na to, this is product driven. Kailangan mo post yung product nila kasi maganda yung benefits makuha ng mga sponsor. Kaya lang, kawawa naman si user. Di ba? Sobrang mahal ang product niya na binibili. But si LiveGood, guys, tayo ay club membership driven. Primary product natin is membership. Doon tayo talaga kikita sa membership kasi ito po yung primary product natin. Although marami tayong products, pero secondary na yan kasi we cannot buy our products at membership price kung we are not members of LiveGood. Di ba? So I hope it's clear. Okay. Now, sino ba ang founder and CEO ni Ben Glinsky? Ben Glinsky has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, and Ben knows how to help people win. Guys, I know Ben 15 years ago. I was fortunate to join some of his company. Napakaganda ng system ni Ben. Napakagaling ng system ni Ben. And the other side, napaka-stricto ni Ben. Ang daming Pinoy na terminate ni Ben kasi nagkaroon tayo ng violation. Dati, pili tayo mag-email marketing. Tinawag yan sa iba na spamming na ngayon, di ba? So, napaka-stricto ni Ben in terms of email marketing. In fact, daming na-terminate ng mga distributor dito sa Pinas. No? So, this is a genuine guy. And then, just this year, mayroong dalawang survey conducted by Business for Home. Kung sa mga top direct selling company, sino ba ang may pinaka-the best na compensation plan? And there were more than 30,000 votes, guys. And you know what happened? Wala pa tayong 1 year sa business. But top, po tayo? No? Nag-top 5 po tayo. Diba? And another survey, another poll, no? Sino ba yung most trusted na company sa direct selling industry? Okay? So, number 2 tayo. Wala pang 1 year pero nag-number 2 na tayo. And ito po yung mga co-founders ng company. Si Dr. Ryan Goodkin is a doctor of pharmacy. Siya po yung in charge ng pag-develop, pag-formulate ng mga products natin. Si Lisa Goodkin, his wife, is a director of product education. So meron tayong every week or Monday Zoom about product. If you cannot watch the live Zoom, pwede kayong manood sa recorded doon sa YouTube channel natin. And si Nuder Kasan, legend sa network marketing industry. Siya po ang ating director of network marketing. Dito naman tayo sa product. Bakit highest quality ang mga products ni LiveGood? Number 1, pure, organic yung mga ingredients natin. Pangalawa, source out in the most pristine locations on the planet. Number 3, world-class yung manufacturing facilities natin. Okay? Lahat ng mga product natin is made in the USA. The process is approved by GMP, the Good Manufacturing Practice. It is a standard, just like ISO. The record documented lahat ng mga processes dito. Then ang mga product natin ay tested sa laboratory for purity and potency. Guys, alam nyo, ang Europe Union ay nagbana ng more than 180 ingredients na usually sinasama sa mga food supplements because they found it hazardous. With our testing, guys, it is guaranteed na lahat ng mga product natin walang chemicals, walang hazardous ingredients na makasama sa health natin. Now look at this. Lahat ng mga product natin ay mayroong certificate of analysis. Minsan, yung mga product natin may dalawang certificate. Yung regular testing about the color, the odor, the taste, and then kung wala bang mga harmful ingredients or bacteria. And then pangalawa, yung metal test. So this is the only company I knew na pinapakita sa mga members itong certificate of analysis. Alam mo guys, you cannot register your product in a certain country pag wala ito. This is a basic requirement. Ito. Kaya ito, lahat ng mga product natin is USDA certified because meron itong certificate of analysis. No, sadyang pinakita ito sa atin to prove, mabigyan tayo ng assurance na lahat ng mga product natin ay talagang potent, talagang effective, and talagang safe. Meron tayong mga product for all. From men's health to women's health to weight management, body cleansing, skincare, anti-aging, energy, and many more to come. Okay? Now, zero next question. Paano ba mag-order ng product? A very simple process. Okay? You can order as a consumer or as a member. Kung consumer ka lang, customer ka lang, bayaran mo ang ang very low retail price. But if you are a member, napakamurang presyo talaga for you. Why? Because as a Live Good member, you can save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Yung kinukompare natin guys, yung mga high-end na product ng mga companies. Okay, makasave po tayo up to 75%. For example, yung CBD oil natin. CBD is good for sleep, antidepressant itong product na to, no? 750 mg CBD, yung member price natin is only $18. Compared to other competitor in the US na nasa $89, $80. Yung savings natin dito is more than 70%. Look at our super greens. Super greens natin is lahat ng mga greens ingredients that's good for general immunity sa katawan natin nandito sa super greens. $18 lang ang presyo nito guys. Nasa 1,000 pesos lang compared to $70, $99 in competitor price product. Diba? Sa Pilipinas, may dalawang sikat ngayon. Diba? Yung mga greens, like yung barley. May dalawang company nag-compete ngayon na sobrang lakas nila. Okay? And guys, mas high-end pa itong super greens sa kanila. Kahit isama pa natin yung shipping cost from the US, lalabas na mura pa rin tayo. Why? Kasi walang patong yung product. Walang kumplan yung product natin. For skincare naman, meron tayong ageless serum. Yung serum natin, $14.95 lang. Nasa 800 pesos lang, guys. Compared to $60, $86 sa mga competitor natin. Okay? Now, dito naman tayo, i-compare natin yung member price sa retail price para ma-appreciate ninyo bakit kayo magpa-member sa Live Good. Okay, so for example, meron tayong multivitamin for men and women. Ang differential lang dito, for women, may iron. Okay, 60 capsules na bioactive. Bioactive meaning result-driven yung mga components, guys. Member price is only $9.95. Retail price is $17.95. Okay, so makasave kayo ng almost $10 if you are a member. Dito sa multivitamins natin, no? So dito naman sa super greens, no? Nasa $11 yung savings mo pag member ka. Now ito namang super greens guys, napakaganda ng product na ito, no? It's good for the heart, for blood circulation, for sexual health, for mental focus, no? Kaya sold out ito palagi sa US, no? So $11 din yung savings natin if member po tayo. And meron din tayong organic coffee, no? Napakaganda ng quality guys. $17.95 member price. If you are non-member, mura pa rin, $28.95. And meron din tayong complete plant-based protein na $22 lang. Kung retail price, non-members, $34. Now, may bagong product. Yung CBD Pain Relief Cream natin na sobrang ganda. It's therapeutic. No? Yung epekto nito. And then, it was announced that this coming August, mga first week of August, lalabas na itong thermal, transdermal patches natin. We have 2 patches. Meron tayong energy and focus patch and meron tayong sleep patches. And lastly, yung inabangan din, yung collagen peptides natin. Guys, collagen based on science can help our aging skin. Dalawa yung pinuntarya ni collagen, yung skin natin saka yung joints. So can you imagine looking young and yung strength natin young din? Diba? Yan po yung epekto ng collagen, but yung price natin below $30 lang. Okay. Now, Shira, next question is how to become a Live Good member. Napakadali. Get your sponsors link. Tanungin niyo po yung nang-invite niyo dito, ano yung sponsor link nila. And then magbayad lang po kayo ng $9.95 per month. Kung gusto kayo makatipid, go for yearly. Makasave tayo ng 20%. And then now, we can enjoy wholesale price, member price. $9.95 lang per month. So, para mas ma-appreciate nyo lalo yung membership natin, let me explain to you some of the most popular club membership worldwide. Amazon Prime, $14.99 per month. Costco, $120 per year. Sam's Club, this is owned by Walmart, operated by Walmart, $100 per year. Netflix, $9.99 per month, depende sa plan. Yung competitor ni Netflix, Disney, $10.99 per month. Tayo, magano? $9.95 per month. Yearly ka, makasave ka 20%. Diba? So, as you can see here, tayo yung unang direct selling company na pumapasok dito sa club membership. Okay? Now, ano kaibahan? Sa Amazon Prime, walang kita. Sam's Club, walang kita. Wala tayong kita dito. Netflix, walang kita. But with Live Good, yes. Because Live Good is the only club membership that pays. Diba? Yan. So, siguro mas na-explain pa natin more clearly ano ba talaga si Live Good. Okay? Now, magbigay tayo ng comparison or some sort of history. Netflix yung gamitin natin. Netflix started in 2007. Actually, 1996 pa si Netflix. Pero more on DVD rentals. In 2007 na sila nag-streaming ng video with few movies. But guys, after 1 year, in 2008, nagkaroon sila ng 9 million subscribers si Netflix. Kasi may mga previous na sila customer base sa DVD rentals nila. And in 2022, last year, they have more than 230 million subscribers na. 230 million subscribers with thousands of films, over 31 billion in sales. Grabe yung sales ni Netflix. No? $31 billion. Now look at Live Good. Nag-start lang tayo in December 2022 with few highest quality supplements. And then, in July this year, more than 500,000 na tayo. Di ba? And then yung revenue natin guys, nasa 10 million. $10 million na. What if mahit natin yung 10 million subscribers in 3 years or less, which is possible. Ilang billion kaya yung magiging sales ng Live Good? And since Live Good is a club membership that pays, are you not excited? Di ba? Ang daming mga tao na magiging, guys, money is not our end. Pero ang dami nating matulungan dito sa Live Good. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa first part ng presentation. Now, if you want to know more paano kikita dito sa Live Good, stay tuned for the next part of the presentation. Okay, now, dito tayo sa subscription. Discuss natin yung subscription business. Kasi nasa subscription din tayo, di ba? Now, Zoom. Ito yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Yung sa akin, 100 participants lang, I'm paying $14 per month. Ito kay Coach Vilma, 1,000 subscribers to, malamang more than $100 per month to. This is an example, a subscription-based company. Yung annual revenue ng Zoom Umaabot ng $2.65 billion. Netflix, nabanggit natin kanina, 230 million subscribers, $31.6 billion in sales. Now, Costco, 59 million members, 107 million cardholders. Yung sales nila sa membership alone is $3.5 billion. Billion yung sales, dollars pa. Now, take a look at this. It took Netflix 10 years before sila nagkaroon ng 100 million subscribers. 10 years. Pero sa Disney Premium, 16 months lang. Bakit? Alam na ni Disney yung anong pwedeng gawin. But guys, dito, what if 3 years from now, mag 10 million subscribers tayo? I made my calculation. Nasa $2.8 billion yung revenue natin pag this is estimate lang ha, estimate. This is not an absolute number. Billions yung kikitain natin per month. Now, i-compare natin sa sales ng Zoom. It's very near. Ang kagandahan natin, at least 50% ng income ng company ay ibabalik sa mga affiliate member. Now, sinong hindi pwedeng yayaman dito pag we do this business right and do this business now? Di ba? Napakagandang opportunity ang binigay ni LiveGood sa atin na how to become an affiliate ni LiveGood. Kasi ang affiliate lang ni LiveGood ang pwede kumita dito. No? Now, how to become an affiliate member? Simple lang, go to your sponsor, ask the sponsor link, magbayad lang kayo ng one time na $49.95 first month. Actually, $40 yan. One-time affiliate fee plus $9.95. Kaya naging $49.95 first month. And then after that, mag-monthly lang kayo ng $9.95. Bakit mayroong bayad yung affiliate? Di ba affiliate sa TikTok walang bayad? Free. Affiliate sa Zoom, pwede ka mag-apply ng affiliate sa Zoom? Free. Pwede ka mag-apply ng affiliate ng, I don't know, Netflix kung mayroon. Pero sa Shopify, yung e-commerce platform, pwede ka mag-apply ng affiliate? Free. Bakit dito sa LiveGood ay hindi free? Later, i-explain natin. Okay, ito yung reason, guys. First, na makukuha natin dito sa $49.95, yung access to membership club. Yung murang product, di ba? Pangalawa, meron tayong digital marketing products. Yung mga sinabi ko na mga free affiliate, free yun, pero kayo po yung gagawa ng mga materials nyo. Gawa kayo ng mga marketing materials, video, lahat gawin ninyo. Okay, pati system. Dito sa LiveGood, sa $40 na one time, napaka-high, napaka-professional na mga marketing tools and trainings yung makukuha natin. Okay? And then of course, makaparticipate tayo sa compensation plan ni LiveGood. Okay? So ano ba yung plan ni LiveGood, guys? Very, very attractive, very powerful. Okay? This is powered by two structure. May tinatawag tayo yung unilevel structure and meron ding force matrix structure. So, yung unilevel is naka-base yan sa enrollment. Okay? Kung wala kayong ma-invite, wala kayong ma-refer, wala kayong unilevel structure. Okay? Kasi base yan sa enrollment. Yung matrix structure, ang gaganahan nito, guys, kahit wala kayong ma-invite, meron pa rin kayong matrix. Okay? 2x15 matrix. So, mamaya, we will explain it further. Now, we have 7 ways to earn dito. Meron tayong weekly fast start, may retail commission, meron tayong influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, diamond crown bonus pool, matrix commission, and matching bonus. So, isa-isahin natin. Number 1, fast start bonus. Usually, tinatawag sa atin yan ng direct referral. $25, guys. Sa mga affiliate member na kayo po yung sponsor na nagbayad ng $49.95, mayroon tayong kita na $25, unlimited. If you can sponsor 10, you will earn $250. If you can sponsor 100, you will earn $2,500. Now, ang kagandahan ng fast start natin, okay, meron itong hanggang ano po ito? Hanggang 10th level dip. Okay? So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng 10 level dip? Now, kahit wala kang rank, lahat ng mga pinapasok mo, tinatawag yan na level 1. Lahat ng level 1 mo, meron kang $25. Now, if yung level 1 mo mang-refer, mang-invite, magiging level 2 mo yan sila. And you will earn level 2 fast start if you are a bronze. Kung bronze affiliate ka. So mamaya explain natin paano mag-achieve ng rank. Now, if you are a silver hanggang 4th generation, if you are gold hanggang 6, platinum hanggang level 8, and diamond hanggang level 10. Okay? So that's the uniqueness ng ating fast start. Number 2, kitaan ni Livgood is yung 2x15 matrix. Monthly commissions po ito, and mag-start po ito sa monthly subscription. Okay? Now, kagandahan ng matrix, guys, no? For every affiliate, 2 lang ang pwedeng mailagay. So ibig sabihin, no, if this is you and in may sponsor ka na malakas, sobrang lakas yung sponsor mo, parang si Coach Vilma mang-refer, kahit wala kang referral, no, yung excess na 2 niya, spillover talaga dito. Okay? Baging spillover. Kagandahan ng spillover, kahit wala kang recruit, basta under sa matrix mo, kikita ka ng $0.25 each per month. Basta active. Okay? That's one of the uniqueness din dito sa Livgood. So, discuss ko lang yung algorithm ng matrix. Ang matrix natin is from top to bottom, left to right. So, kung ikaw to, okay, and then yung wala ka pang invite, yung sponsor mo, grabe mag-invite, so it will give you a spillover. 2. Now, kung mayroong pagpapasok galing sa itaas, kasi wala ka pang recruit, dito bagsak. Next, dito bagsak. Okay? So, bakit hindi binagsak dito? Kasi mayroon na itong tao. Mayroon na din. So, doon nilagay sa kabila. Next, dito. Next, dito. And then ito, guys, this is called your level 1. And ito naman, level 2. And ito naman, level 3. So, this is the structure. Kasi 2x15 lang. So, lahat ng mga enrollment sa itaas at saka enrollment mo, bagsak sa ilalim. Okay? So, gets nyo yung potential dito sa matrix. So, dito tayo sa graph. Kung wala kayong rank, unrank po kayo, mayroon kayong $0.25 each per month sa membership. Now, mayroon lang tayong limit sa walang rank. Hanggang 12 level lang tayo. So sa 12 level, yung maximum kitain natin kung wala kang rank is 2,047 per month. Guys, 2,047 per month kahit wala kang invite. Pwede mangyayari yan. Okay? But if you want to earn more sa matrix, go for bronze and silver. Kasi tataas up to maging double yung potential income mo sa matrix. If you want to earn 8,000 per month sa matrix, go for gold or platinum. Or if you want to earn $16,000 per month on your matrix, habulin mo itong diamond. Okay? Guys, pinakataas na pwedeng kitain sa matrix dito sa Livgood is only $16,000 per month. No one will earn more than $16,000 kasi yun po yung safety net ni company. Mag-over payout na tayo dyan pag mag-over tayo ng $16 in terms of matrix commission. Now, third way to earn is yung matching bonus. So, ano ba yung matching bonus? Napakaganda dito. In fact, dito po talaga ang malaking pera sa Livgood sa matching bonus. Why? Because 50% ng matrix income sa lahat ng mga direct mo, may 50% match ka. Halimbawa, ikaw to. So ito, direct mo. May kita na 1,000 sa matrix, meron kang 50%, meron kang 500. Kung ito naman, may kita na 500 sa matrix, meron kang 50%, which is 250. Ito naman, kumikita ng 100, meron kang 50. Ito, kumikita ng 200, meron kang 100, and so on and so forth. Walang limit po ito, guys. And another exciting po dito sa matching bonus natin, hanggang 5th generation po ito. Anong ibig sabihin? Hanggang 5th generation. Kung ikaw ay walang rank, unrank, dito ka lang. 50% of matrix commission sa lahat ng mga direct mo, kikita ka. But if you are a silver, kikita ka ng silver 2nd generation. Hanggang 2nd generation yung kita mo kung silver ka na. If you are a gold, mayroon kang 5% na matching bonus up to third generation. Kung platinum ka, mayroon kang 5% na matching bonus up to fourth generation. Kung diamond ka, mayroon kang 3% na matching bonus up to fifth generation. Okay? Ganun kaganda yung ating matching bonus. Okay. Now, before we proceed sa retail commission at saka influencer bonus, guys, if I were you, go for this sit-up. Tinatawag natin na family sit-up. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Okay? Ikaw to. Okay? So, mas maganda, position mo dalawang member ng family. Totoong pangalan, misis mo, asawa mo, anak mo, dalawa. Kahit hindi ito mang-recruit. Kahit naka-position lang Y. If you start to refer, doon na mabagsak yung mga referral mo sa kanila. So, ibig sabihin, kikita sila. Kahit wala silang recruit. And then, mangyari dyan, kasi may dalawang direct ka, magiging bronze ka. Automatic maging bronze ka, yung monthly income potential mo sa Matrix maging times 2, maging $4,095.5 per month. And then, kung mangyari yan, mapuno yung Matrix mo, 2 by 13 yung Matrix mo dyan kung bronze ka, 2 by 13. Pero itong dalawa mo, members ng family, 2 by 12 yan, puno din yung 2 by 12. So magkano yung puno ng 2 by 12? 2,047. Dalawang 2,047, 4,000 din. Matching bonus ka, 50%. That's 2,000. Total potential income mo dito in this sit-up is ito, more than 500,000 per month if mapuno yung matrix. Maximizing lang the potential. Okay? So, ito po yung hindi ko nagawa kasi di din ako nanood ng mga presentation when I joined, no? Sa LiveGood. Nalaman ko lang to after a few days. And then ginawa ko, misis ko, pati mga anak ko, in-upgrade ko, nasa ilalim na. But it's okay. But sa mga members natin ngayon na hindi pa ito na sit up nyo na. And then sa mga beginners natin, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-join, sit up nyo ka agad ito. Para walang tapo na pair. Ma-maximize yung kita natin. Kahit yung dalawa mong family members, hindi mag-recruit. Kayo lang. Walang problema. Okay, so what if target natin dito guys is 20 direct referral. Okay? What if mag-direct to ng 20 direct and then yung 20 direct natin, wag natin sabing tamad, busy lang. Okay, wala pang time sa business, naghintay lang. Kailan na puno yung matrix? Sabihin natin after 5 years or 10 years, napuno na yung matrix. Okay, so magkano yung potential sa matrix? Kung walang recruit, $2,047.5 per month times 50% times 20. So potential income mo is dito. $20,000 per month or mahigit 1 million per month kung meron kang 20 direct referral. But if I were you, depende sa need natin is go for 100 solid direct. Okay, if you have 100 solid direct guys, ibig sabihin diamond yung target natin sa lahat. Maximum income per diamond is 16,000 times 50%. Meron kang 8,000 plus times 100. Ito yung potential income natin. That's over $45 million. 45 million pesos per month. Ito po yung goal ni Coach Fernan. Pero lumagpas si Coach Fernan ngayon ng 100. Grabe. So can you imagine magkano yung kikitain possibly natin in the coming years dito sa LiveGood? Okay? So proceed tayo sa pang-apat na kitaan yung retail commission. Yung retail commission naman is binta-binta to. Dito na po yung sinasabi ko na dropshipping. We are focusing dito sa product naman. Okay? Di ba yung member price ng Super Rich is 18? Okay? And then retail price is 29. The difference of that is 11.25. 50% of that, which is $6, yun po yung retail profit natin. Okay? So, binta-binta yan. Then next is influencer bonus. Influencer bonus, parang retail lang yan. Kaya lang, you don't need to become an influencer para bigyan kayo ng influencer bonus. Pwede kayo mag-boost na Facebook. Di ba? So, kung yung total sales niyo for the month ay umaabot ng $2,500, mayroon kayong additional 10%. So, maging 60% yung retail commission niyo. Hanggang kung makuha ninyo itong $50,000 per month na sales, 100% commission. Mean to say the difference between retail and member ay ibigay ni LiveGood sa atin. Di ba? So, sa company ko, sa e-commerce, kasi nasa e-commerce din tayo, nagbinta kami ng mga product. may isang distributor na kaya magbenta ng 4 million a month. That's more than $50,000 per month. So kaya palang kunin natin itong income nito. No? So kaya lang guys, wala pa tayo nakapokus dito ngayon. Nasa recruiting phase pa tayo nakatutok. Di ba? The next, Diamond Pool, nako, dito na talaga yung profit sharing natin na malaki guys. 2% ng sales ng company ay to be equally shared among the Diamond. Imagine niyo kung gaano ka-excited si Coach Vilma ngayon. Okay? Kasi na Diamond siya this month. Ibig sabihin, on the first week of August, meron ng share sa Diamond Pool. Grabe ito guys. Grabe ito. Serious na ito. How much more dito sa Crown Diamond? 0.5%. 0.5% ang allocate dito na right now, meron lang isang Crown Diamond si Tim Miller. And hopefully, this month, maging dalawa na yung Crown Diamond natin. Okay? So, ito yung parang 001 sa Pilipinas, si Coach Fernan Santiago. Apply naman natin sa US, si GC Garcia. And then pinaka-apply natin, grand apply natin si Tim Miller. No? Isang Crown Diamond. Now, where is the biggest money in Live Good? Saan ba yung malaking pera dito? Nasa weekly fast start or nasa pool? Guys, nandito sa matching. Why? Yung weekly fast start active yun. Kung walang recruitment, walang kita. Matrix income is maximum $16,000. Ang retail commission active. Kung walang binta, walang kita. Pati yung sa influencer bonus. Diamond pool is shared income. Kung ilan yung pool, hatiin sa lahat ng mga diamond, so pareho yung kita. Pati yung Crown Diamond pool. Pero sa matching bonus, guys, passive and unlimited. Kaya, kung gusto kayong kumita ng talaga as in malaki, start recruiting people and don't stop. Okay? Now, pakita natin ito example ng income ng matrix sa matching bonus. So, in this example, sa February na commission, matrix niya is 600, yung matching is 6,000. On the next month, the same person, yung matrix naging 900, pero yung matching, grabe, 14,000. On the third month, 1,000 yung matrix, 24,000 yung matching. Iwan ko lang guys, me and John kung magkano yun. Sobrang laki na yan. Diba? So, paano mag-rank? Yung tinatawag na unrank, wala kang direct or may isa kang direct. So, kita ka ng $25 direct referral. If you are a bronze, hanggang second generation yung mo fast start mo. Requirement dalawang member lang, bronze ka na. Now, silver benefits is hanggang fourth generation yung fast start. Ang requirement, number 1, pwede 20 directs, pwede 10 directs, pero total team members 20. Pwede din 3 silver. Basta total team members is 20. Gold benefits hanggang 6th generation. Ano ba yung paano mag-achieve ng gold? 30 directs plus 100 team or 3 silver with 100 team or 30 max per league. Pwede ka na maging gold. And then platinum is hanggang 8 level yung pa-start natin. And then ito yung mga ways to achieve. 100 directs plus total team 500 or meron kang 3 gold with total team of 500 or 150 max per league. Pwede ka maging platinum. And lastly, diamond. Napakaganda nito guys. May diamond pool hanggang 10th generation yung pa-start natin. Diba? And then ito lang dalawa lang yung ways to achieve a diamond. 3 platinum lang with 2,500 members. Napakaliit nitong requirements na ito. Or, kung wala kang platinum, pwede ka max 500 per league. Total of team na 2,500 maging diamond ka na. Now, guys, si Live Good guys is number 1 business to join and the easiest business to join. Pero wala mangyayari sa atin pag wala tayong reason. So first, we need to redevelop our why. Ano bang reason natin, motivation natin, bakit gawin natin yung business na to? Yung reason natin, depende yan sa status of life natin. Ano ba yung needs natin? Okay? Once ma-establish na yung needs mo at magkano yung gusto mong kitain dito, go for the action plans. Meron akong 3 suggested na action plans dito. It's up to you kung ano yung gagamitin yung strategy. Yung first is, tinatawag ko itong risk mode. Kung busy ka, wala kang oras, paiba kang ginagawa, wala problema. Join ka pa rin ng Live Good. Okay? Risk mode ka lang muna. Spillover waiter, mga abangers lang muna. Ang importante lang, pwede ka mag-abang basta active ka. Active ka ng monthly membership mo. Bili ka ng product kung kailangan mo. Okay? And then kahit wala kang recruit, basta active lang. Pwede kang kikita ng metrics. Kasi kung as long as active yung upline mo, siguradong may spillover ka. And for every spillover, meron kang $0.25 per month per subscriber. Okay? Pero bigyan ka ng limited company. Hanggang $2,000 lang yung pwede mong kikitain sa metric kung wala kang recruit. Kung abangers ka lang. Ang question is, kailan makukuha mo yung $2,000 per month? Depende yan sa upline mo at saka spillover mo. Wala kang control dyan. Wala kang control. Pero mangyayari dyan. As long as you keep your account active. Number 2, Power Up 2. Ang ibig sabihin ng Power Up 2, first month kuha ka ng 2. Turuan mo yung 2, magkakuha rin ng 2 under second month hanggang 12 month. Ang mangyari, puno yung metrics mo, kikita ka ng $2,000 per month after 1 year. Ito yung talagang tinudo mo. Hindi ka abanger. Power Up 2 lang. Di ba? Now, if you're like me, na talagang may hinahabol na daming bayarin, okay? At least, Power Up 10 ka. Ano maibig sabihin na Power Up 10? First month, dapat meron kang 10 direct. Kaya ako, nakuha ko rin yung more than 10 directs sa first month ko. Pangalawa, yung 10 directs mo, duplicate ka. Turuan mo magkakuha rin ng 10 on their second month. And then yung 100 mo sa second level, turuan mo magkakuha ng 10 din. So that in the third month, meron kang 1,000, meron kang 10,000 sa fourth month. Total yan, 11,000 members in 4 months. Sabihin natin guys, 30% lang yung realization. 70% supply. 30% na duplicate. Aabot ka pa rin ng 3,333 members. Enough for you to become a diamond. And you become, you're earning, sabi ni Ben, above $10,000 per month. Diba? So, kahit dublihin pa natin guys, kahit yung first level 2 months to, maging 4 months to, maging 6 months to, maging 8 months ka pa rin, maging diamond ka pa rin. Si Coach Fernan, 81 days, less than 3 months, diamond. What sabihin natin, every 3 months yung 10 mo, duplicate. 1 year ka pa rin, diamond ka pa rin. Di ba? Kailangan natin mag-aim high guys dito. Okay? Now, patapos na tayo. Top 4 reasons to join. Unahin ko yung 4. Top 4. Very simple and lucrative pay plan. Bakit simple and powerful? Kahit wala kang recruit, kikita ka. Pero kung hatawin mo, grabe yung kikitain mo dito. Top 3. Marketing system tools and training. Guys, kompleto na yung tools natin. Ang daming mga trainings natin. Now, top 2 reason, very high quality product, very affordable pa. And number 1, we just officially launched globally. Ngayon, target natin before the end of December 2023 is 1 million. Talagang makuha natin to kasi nasa 530,000 members na tayo. And then after that, target natin is 100 million to 1 billion in the next year. Di ba? Anong mangyari sa atin ngayon? If we join at this early, and then hindi lang abangers, humahataw pa. Di ba? Guys, lahat ng mga successful companies follows an S-Corp. S stands for, of course, successful company. And yung corp niya parang S. Ano bang ibig sabihin dito? First 2 years is the foundation stage, formulation stage, recruit driven ito. Kaya tayo hindi pa nakapokus sa selling ng product kasi naka-base tayo sa recruitment. Ngayon, we are widening our nets. After that, 3 to 7 years, momentum na yan. Kahit mag-stop ka na mag-recruit, yung grupo mo hindi na mag-stop mag-grow. Kasi naka-momentum na. And after momentum, that stability, this is more on retail driven na compared to recruitment driven sa foundation. Di ba? So, take note guys, sa momentum stage, ang daming maging diamond dito. Kung dito ka sumali, pwede kang maging diamond. Pero kung dito ka sasali ngayon sa formulation stage, possibly lahat ng mga diamond dito sa momentum stage, downline mo. Can you imagine magkano yung matching bonus mo kikitain? Di ba? So, I hope nakita natin yung potential, yung urgency na dapat natin gawin ngayon. Okay, so tanong ko lang, type lang kayo dito. Check natin kung hindi kayo nakatulog. Are you an A, B, or C? A is I want to become an affiliate member. Gusto kong kumita. B, I want to become a member. Gusto ko lang makasave. C, gusto ko lang maging retail. Okay, so check natin kung ano yung gusto nyo dito. A, B, or C. Ayun, daming nag-A. Kala ko nakatulog. Okay? Okay, so grabe yung mga guys, no? E na. Baka may nag-upgrade na. Di ba? So, yun. Before okay, so get back to the person that invited you and then let him know your decision. Wag na wag niyo nang i-delay yung yung decision niyo. That before ko po tawagin yung sharer natin, guys, tonight, nang bibigay sa atin ng inspiration, okay, allow me to share this with you kung paano how to become successful with Live Good. Number 1, run it like a real business. Yes. Seryosohin natin. Totoong business talaga. Okay? So, real business needs capital, needs OPEX, needs to operate every day. Kailangan ng market and kailangan ng profit, otherwise mag-close. Di ba? Now, meron akong yung sinabi ko na maliit na business, isa water station lang. Pero capital ko dyan is 2 million kasi yun, akin yung building, may deep well, may mga sasakyan, no? Equipment, umabot ng 2 million. Yung OPEX ko every month, guys, is grabe yung OPEX. Okay? Nasa 100,000 per month. Kasama na yung mga benefits ng mga empleyado. 8 hours kami nag-operate. Ang market namin local lang. Yung within mga 10 kilometers lang radius, no, sa station ko. Profit ko nasa mga 10 to 20,000 per month. Depende kung walang problema. Di ba? So, this is passive for me. Hindi naman ako nandun. Wala akong nag-hire lang ako ng mga tao doon. May passive income na ako na 10 to 20,000. Now, if gusto kong kumita ng 200,000 naman, kailangan ko 10 refilling station. Ang laking capital doon. Di ba? That's 2 million. But guys, look at this. Live Good. Yung capital natin is 2,850. Yung OPEX natin per month is 560. 24/7 global. Sa akin lang, kumikita na ako ng minimum ng 50K per month. No? Yung nag-platinum tayo. So kita yung difference. Okay? And then kaganahan nito, everyone can join. Hindi lahat pwedeng mag-business, pero kailangan natin mag-business para umasinso. Walang nag-asinso sa pagiging empleyado. 100%. Ako man ay empleyado, I love my job. But I have a dreams na di ko pwedeng makuha doon. And then everyone has the resources. Mobile, internet, oras. Meron. What we need is the reason why. Talaga. Ito na yung chance natin na matupad yung mga pangarap natin. Ito na yung last ticket natin. Now, sino ba dito ang more than 40? Pakitype 40. Walang 40? Ako lang? More than 40. Or more than 30 years old. Pakitype 30 or 40. Yan. Dami. For those ngayon na may edad, 40 pataas, guys, we need shortcut. Kailangan natin ng shortcut ngayon. Shortcut. Kasi yung oras natin, limitado. Di ba? And Live Good is our shortcut. Kung kaya ni Coach Fernan na maging diamond in 3 months, bakit di natin kayang ma-diamond within 1 year? Just add 1 year to your age now, do this business right, maging diamond ka. Di ba? Sa mga below 40, ang swerte niyo. But huwag kayong magkumpiyansa. Di ba? So, and then, next is willing to take risk. Willing to take risk. Eh sa halagang 2,850, i-delay mo pa yung membership mo. Guys, this is not 2 million, this is not 1 million, this is not 100,000, this is not 20,000, this is not 10,000, this is not 5,000, this is only 2,850. And the cost to operate is 560. Yung 2,850, dalhin mo sa mall yan. Minsan, kulang yung 2,850 mo. Barkada trip kayo. Tingnan natin kung di ba maubos yung 2,850. Di ba? And then, do not let your fear and doubts slow you down. Huwag kang papigil sa mga fear and doubts mo. Baka hindi ako kikita. Bakit? Walang problema yan. Kung di ka naman kikita, what is 2,850? But what if sinubukan mo? Di ba? So yung fear of loss dito, delikado guys. Yung fear of loss na sana kikitain mo, masolve yung problema mo, sa 2,850 lang, nag-doubt ka pa. Okay lang yung fear and doubts pag 100,000 yung ininvest mo. Ang dami nga nag-invest ng 1 million. Natsugi. Okay lang sa kanila. Huwag na yung fear and doubts. And then, love the dream stealers but do not listen to them. Yung mga dream stealers natin, yung mga prospects, friends, mga family members pa natin yung iba. Sila yung po nagpipigil sa atin. Huwag kang sasali dyan, scam yan. Diba? They are dream stealers. Love natin sila. Pero if we follow what they say, maging katulad din tayo sa kanila. Guys, sabi ko na this is not 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 cash out. It's very minimal. Now, once you do, nakapasok na kayo sa LiveGood, always plug in. Pasok kayo sa Zoom. Invite kayo, mag-invite kayo sa Zoom. Attend kayo ng training. Yun lang talaga. Plug in lang para ma-charge kayo. And that's it. Diba? So, I hope guys, nakatulong po tayo. And then, ngayon, may I call on sa ating sharer ngayon. I hope nandito na sa room yung sharer natin. Ito ay isang kaibigan ko talaga. Isang kaibigan ko, classmate ko din. Pareho kami ng kinuha na kurso. Pareho kami Electronics and Communications Engineer. It so happened na pareho kami in love sa networking. In fact, first company namin na sinalihan, pareha. Pero cruise line kami. Nandito lang, dito lang sa LiveGood kami nagkatrabaho under the same team. Okay? So grabe din ito ng, aside from an engineer, isa din itong professor. Ang dami din itong experience. Without further ado, no? May I call on my friend, our new gold affiliate member on the Platinum Run and Diamond Run. May I call on Coach Handel Magnanaw. Take away, Coach.
Hindi ko makashare ng video ko. Good evening everyone.
Ay, good evening. Ay, mga coaches, Coach Jericho, pwede ma-assist po si Coach Handel po.
Dili ko maka-open sa video ko. Pwede
Permission to, ano po, ano po ibig sabihin dyan? Uncam?
Coach Romel, paki-stop share po para maka-open po si...
Ayun pala. Sige po.
Hindi pa rin po, hindi ko maka-open yung video ko. Pwede...
Coach, click niyo po yung video. Okay na, naka-host na po kayo.
Pwede na?
Yes po, Coach.
Allow your camera. Parang hindi ko siya ma-open. Hindi ako allowed. Okay. Baka ito na. Paano kaya to? Hindi ko ma-open yung video ko. Parang the host has asked you to start your video.
Yes, ba? Start
accept niyo po, Coach.
Accept mo yan.
Okay ko, hindi pa rin siya. inaccept ko, hindi pa rin.
Try again, coach.
Subukan ko daw mag-relogin. Pwede ba? Pwede ko mag-login muna. Hindi ko maka-open eh.
Sige, bay. Try mo.
Sige, try ko mag-relogin. Continue speaking lang sa coach. Mag-relogin lang ako.
Okay, so hintayin na natin guys, no? While waiting for Coach Sandel, no? Pwede zero kayong mag-type ng question dyan. Try natin sagutin. And once again, I'd like to thank Soaring Eagles International and with all the coaches, platinum coaches nandito to assist to this meeting po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayun, may question. Paano mag-member? Sir Neil Pahardo. Simple lang, sir. No? Kunin mo lang yung yung link ng sponsor nyo kung sino man ang invite mo dito. And then, yun. Bayad ka lang ng one time na 2,850 or 2,900. Depende po sa mode of payment na gagamitin mo. And then, siguro you make it sure. Yung 2,850 is ano yan. Make sure to pay your monthly subscription. Coach Sandel?
Yes, yes.
Okay na?
Nandito ako pero ganun pa rin. Hindi ko ma-open yung camera. I don't know what happens. Nasa labas kasi ako. So gamit lang ako ng phone.
Sa setting mo yan, bay. Go ahead na lang kahit walang kahit walang video. Sige. Take it away.
Sige. Pasensya na, nasa labas kasi ako. Good evening, good evening mga kalibgod natin at saka yung mga bago lang dito sa natin sa presentation ng Ligod. So sa sinabi ni Coach Romel, kaklase kami. Actually ayaw ko na sana talagang mag-networking kasi pang-11 ko na ito eh. Pang-11 ko itong networking. Okay ba ba? Narinig ako, Coach? Okay ba? Rinig ba ko?
Yes, bye. Yes, bye. Loud and clear.
Okay. So pang 10 or pang 11 ko na tong networking. Ang una ko is yung Forever Living. Meron po kaming goal, meron kaming lifestyle, yung intra. Basta naraanan ko mga 10 or pang 11 na ito. So yung inintroduce to ni Coach Romel sa akin, initially I was so hesitant. Pero luckily, parang it was God's answered prayer kasi I think a night or two before kinuntak niya ako, I was praying na, Lord, kailan kaya ako maka-breakthrough nitong sitwasyon ko sa buhay financially. So, kinabukasan or I think 2 days later, mawag siya sa akin. At that time, timing din na meron akong pwedeng i-umpisa. So, without hesitation, sabi ko, sige, okay, coach. Okay, bye Romel kasi bye kasi yung tawagan namin, ibig sabihin friend. So at that time, I was working with three jobs yung ginagawa ko. So meron akong teaching because I am a professor of Mapua, Mapua Laguna. And at the same time, I was also teaching at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, so sa Cagayan de Oro. Sabay-sabay po ito, online lang, so walang problema. Tapos I was also doing PLC programming, nagpo-program kami, nag-automate kami ng yung sa machine, yung sa flour manufacturing, nagpo-produce ng harina. So yun ang pinoprogram namin, nag-automate kami. So 3 trabaho at that time. Yung ginawa ko, napa-enroll ako ni Coach Romel, ang ginawa ko at that time, kasi pitik lang. So, yung mga kaibigan ko, pag may kailangan sila, sabi ko, mamaya lang siguro gabi kasi nasa field ko. Pero ang ko doon, I think 2 months ago, na talaga ako na i-full time ko na itong Ligod. Kasi tiningnan ko siya, nakita ko yung opportunity, pinag-aaralan ko siya. Ito lang talaga yung breakthrough sa ating financial situation. Kung ano man, gaano tayo kahirap ngayon, ito may pag-asa tayo. So, yung hindi pa sumali dito, ang advice ko sa inyo is, pag-aralan nyo lang itong Live Good. Kasi once na ma-understand nyo ito, it will give you hope. Kung familiar mo sa, if you are familiar kayo sa statement ni Jeremiah chapter 29:11, sabi ng Panginoon, for I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, and to give you hope and a future. So I've learned this Bible verses matagal na, siguro mga 20 years or more than 20 years, but there was no fulfillment yet sa promises ng Panginoon. Pero dito, nakita ko sa Live Good, yung pinakita ni Trumeganihan kanina, na paano kayo kumita dito. Imagine 7 ways to earn. Tapos lalo na pag indihan nyo yung matching bonuses. Yes, that's true for fast weekly bonus. Madaling kumita doon. Tapos meron tayong metrics. Pero brothers and sisters, dito talaga sa matching bonus, dito tayo yaman. So kaya yung pinag-aralan ko yung matching bonus niya, so nakita ko na dito talaga ma-fulfill promise ng Panginoon na He will prosper us. He will prosper us through this. Kasi imagine I've been working for about 30 years na. Can you imagine? About 30 years. 15 years ako nagtrabaho sa Thailand. After ako nag-graduate, kasama ko si Coach Romel, sabay kami nag-engineer, sabay kami pumasok sa examination. Tapos nagtrabaho ako 5 years before I went to Thailand. And I work in Thailand. Okay lang doon, nasa abroad, medyo malaki-laki ang ta. Pero after that, early retirement ako, yung natanggap ko, ubos ka agad. So how much more? Kung dito sa nakikita ko na talagang ang laki ng pag-asa. Ang laki talaga ng pag-asa dito sa Live Good. Hello. Pasensya na po, naputol ako. Hello, Coach Romel.
Coach, sige po, rinig po namin kayo.
Go
Narinig ka?
ahead po,
Pasensya na.
engineer. Go ahead, engineer.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Okay, sorry. Pasensya na kasi actually, I'm moving my car. Somebody will go out from the gate. So, just hold on for a few, siguro 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Sige, tuloy ko lang yung sinabi ko kanina, no, na dito sa Live Good, dito talaga ma-fulfill yung promise ng Panginoon. Kasi sa trabaho, imagine I've been working for around 30 years na, pero walang improvement eh. Parang you can just get by for a while, pero di talaga yung financial freedom na pinag-pray natin, hinihiling natin sa Panginoon. Wala talaga pag-asa sa trabaho natin or anong sources of livelihood tayo ngayon. Ang hirap talaga, brothers and sisters. So dito sa Live Good, lalo na yung hindi pa pumasok dito, try to subukan nyo lang ito, tapos pag-aralan, makikita nyo na talagang may pag-asa dito sa Live Good. So may sinasabi na a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Okay? So, yung pag-join nyo dito, pag-attend nyo sa Zoom meeting, yun na yun ang first step ninyo towards sa magandang kinabukasan ng buhay. So if you may sinasabi din na if you are expecting different things and yet you are doing things over and over, the same things over and over again, that's insanity. So kung gusto nating magbago talaga yung buhay natin, kailangan tayong gumawa ng something different. Okay, pasensya na po, very unorganized yung ano ko ngayon kasi nagka-conflict lang yung schedule ko, but I'm trying to to come and join. Nahirap ako sa signal. So ganito lang po, pag-aralan natin ng business na to, and then let's try to follow ano yung sinasabi ng mga coaches natin. Magpa-coach tayo, just be open-minded. Kasi ang nangyari dito pag siyempre kung successful ka na sa buhay, ang tendency is parang parang close na tayo. Tapos marami bang mga negative, no? Mga negativities sa itong opportunity na nakikita natin. So kung bigyan lang natin to ng chance, no? If you give the chance to learn this business, meron tayong hope dito. Ang unang intindihin natin na ang business na to is talaga nakakaiba siya. As mentioned kanina sa presentation, lahat ng mga pabigat sa unang mga networking business na nasalihan ninyo, good. If wala pa kayong experience, this is your first network marketing industry na pasukan ninyo, much better. At least siguro ang negativity ninyo about this is not the same as tulad namin na naka-experience na ng ganitong klaseng industry. Talaga mahirap siya. Ngayon, pinadali lang ni Ben Glinsky, yung CEO natin. Pinadali niya. So another thing that I want to give you as an encouragement is ganito. Kung ano man tayo ngayon sa katayuan natin sa buhay, no, kung mahirap ka ngayon or mayaman ka, well, that depends on your action, no, your decision and action 5 years ago, 10 years ago, or a year ago, 20 years ago. But ano ka, or what you will be a year from now, 2 years from now, or 5 years from now, resulta yan sa anong decision mo ngayon. Anong action na gagawin mo ngayon. So sa mga hindi pa member sa Live Good, no? Pag hindi pa kayo member dito sa Live Good, yung action mo and decision that you are going to do today, especially pag choose kung A ka ba, B or C ka ba, malaki ang impact niyan sa buhay mo a year or 2 or 5 years from now. Malaking impact yan. Imagine, na-realize ko yan, ha? Imagine 30 years nagtrabaho ako. Hindi ako, okay lang doon sa abroad, medyo okay yung sahod. Pero nasa Pilipinas ka, ang liit na lang talaga na salary dito. Imagine, tatlo na yung trabaho ko, hindi pa ako umabot ng 100,000 ang buwan. Nasanay kasi ako nasa abroad ako, yun ang kinikita ako, nasa 6 figures income ako. Pagdating ko dito sa Pilipinas, pagbalik ko dito, wala talaga kahit na ilang trabaho. Siyempre, kukulangin yung oras ko. We have only 24 hours a day. Yun lang, solo mo. Marami kang gagawin. Ang nakaya ko lang, pinagsabay-sabay ko 3 trabaho. But still, I was not able to get that salary that I desired. Yung kita na malaking tulong sana sa family ko, pero hindi nangyari. So ngayon, kung tingin mo kung ang income mo ngayon is not enough, gusto mong lalaki pa yung kita mo. So ang tanong ko ngayon is, with your work, with what you are doing now, do you think 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years from now, aabot ng 100,000 or 200,000 ang sahod mo? What do you think? May chance ba? May pag-asa ba sa ginagawa nyo ngayon o sa ginagawa natin ngayon? Nakikita tayo ng ganyang kalaki? Di ba? Parang mahirap, no? Mahirap i-ma-achieve natin yung ganyang laki ng salary with what we are doing now. Di ba? Di ba po? So, ngayon, kung pagbigyan mo to ng chance, malaking pag-asa, no? Malaking pag-asa tayo na ma-fulfill yung promise ng Panginoon na ipa-prosper tayo dito. So, ganun lang, no, mga kapatid. Isipin lang natin na may sinasabi na yesterday is history. Ano mang nangyari in the past, wala na yun. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Past is past. Pero kung ano meron ka ngayon, that is a gift. That's why ang sinasabi na today is called present. Present meaning it's a gift. So nabuhay tayo ngayon, tapos na-meet natin tong opportunity na to, so it's a gift. And tomorrow is a mystery. No? The future is a mystery. We don't know. But with the presentation that Coach Romel had given us, so nakita natin na may pag-asa ang bukas natin dito sa Live Good. May sinasabi din na kung pinanganak kang mahirap, hindi mo kasalanan yan. Pero pag mamamatay tayong mahirap, kasalanan natin yan. Ibig sabihin na mahirap tayo dahil sa parents natin mahirap. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Pero ngayon, may family ka na, hayaan mo lang yung family mo na ganun lang din, mahirap lang din sila. Or, hayaan mo lang ba na when you leave this world, kung mahirap kang pinanganak, mahirap ka din? Diba po? So, mga kapatid, pag-aralan ninyo itong business na to, i-internalize ninyo kung ano yung narinig ninyo ngayon, then keep on attending, no? Yung tinatawag nila na GPS. No, get in, plug in, and stay in. And remember na ang Live Good, nakakaiba siya. This is a subscription-based, no? Subscription-based membership, club membership that pays. Marami tayong club membership like what had been mentioned in the presentation, like yung Netflix, Zoom, kung ano-ano pang iba dyan, pero they're not paying members. But here in Live Good, we are paid or we will be paid by Live Good being a member. Basta ang huwag niyo lang kalimutan na very important yung subscription natin monthly. Pag-isipin ninyo na, naku, ang laki naman ng monthly $9.95. Guys, tingnan nyo 2 years or 5 years from now, kung mapuno yung matrix ninyo, mapuno yung matrix ninyo. Kung unrank po kayo, 2,000, that is $2,000, that is 100, no? 100 plus, 1,000 pesos. Kung mag-bronze ka lang, that is 4,000 plus US dollars, or that is 200,000 plus in peso. How much more kung aabot tayo sa diamond, which is yung diamond ship, dadaanan lang natin yan. Ang ultimate goal natin dito is crown diamond. So yung mga member na nandito ngayon, advice ko sa inyo na still learn the business. There are times na you will feel down, you feel just but by attending, no? By attending the presentation, it will give you encouragement, it will lift up your spirit, and it will remind you of your dreams in life. Na dito lang natin makakamit sa Live Good. So hindi pa nagsa-sign up, hindi pa member. So huwag niyo yung patagalin na kasi positioning is very important. The earlier you join, the earlier that you will become a diamond. So, yun lang muna. Siguro, Coach Romel, pasensya na. Hindi ko talaga masyado na-organize. Nag-conflict lang yung schedule ko. So, baka the next time around, I can do it better. So, maraming salamat po. Yun lang muna, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat sa pagpakinig.
Alright. So salubungin po natin o bigyan po natin ng mga heart emojis, reaction so si Engineer Handiel Magnanaw. Thank you so much, Engineer. And
You're
sa lahat
welcome
po ng sa lahat po ng nandito, I'm sorry guys because Mentor Romel talaga has really a lot of commitment. That's why nag-message na po siya sa atin na kung maaari, we're the one who will close this presentation. But for tonight, I want to say thank you sa lahat po ng nandito pa sa loob ng ating Zoom kasi itong gabi po talaga sulit na sulit po sa atin. As you heard naman and you've seen on your screen how very crystal clear, napakalinaw ng pagkakapresent ni Engineer Romel Jaime kanina sa kanyang presentations about the company, the compensation plan, the products, and everything. At grabe pang iniwan niyang tips. So grabe guys, no? Ang daming awakening sa atin na iniwan si Engineer Romel Jaime. So our platinum partners here in Live Good under Soaring Eagles International. And pinapalakpakan po yan at pinibigyan po yan ng heart. Plus, marami pa po siyang binigay na bonus sa atin together with the sharing ni Engineer Handiel Magnanaw. So napaka-blessed po natin ngayong gabi kasi dalawang certified electronics and communication engineer ang nagsalita po sa atin. So they are not an ordinary persons, they are all professionals and they are here as a professional multi-level marketing po and they are part of Live Good family. So maraming salamat Engineer Romel Jaime and of course Engineer Handiel Magnanaw. Sobrang napakaganda rin po ng mga iniwan na mga message binigay sa atin ng mga message ni Engineer Handiel as a sharer for tonight. Yung mga tips niyo po, yun po ang pakatandaan po natin, yung mga nasa loob sa Zoom, yung mga reminders, and of course, yung pag-obey po natin. So yung pag-empty cups po natin sa pag-follow po natin sa ating mga coaches. Kasi yan po yung mga, ang binibigay po sa atin ng ating mga coaches, of course, ating mga mentors, ay yung madali na pong paraan para makuha natin yung rank up. And of course, I really love the lines na a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So this is it. Sana ho nagising po tayo, na-internalize po natin, pumasok po sa isip natin at tumagos po sa puso natin lahat ng mga sharings, lahat ng mga informations na binigay po sa atin ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po and tonight tinatapos na po natin itong Zoom presentations. And maraming salamat again sa lahat ng mga Soaring Eagles Internationals. Tuloy-tuloy po lang tayo and see you all guys at the top. Once again, this is Mentor Jericho Irinco, your platinum partner here in Live Good, running for gold also. A diamond, sorry. Thank you so much guys and see you all at the top. Good night everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you everyone. Thank you Coach Nikki. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. We're gonna end the slide. Thank you. Bye guys.